Hello TPC pilots. I wanted to do this short video to show you how to install TPC liveries for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. So first thing you need to do is head over to our website, thepilotclub.org, navigate to About and More, scroll down to Liveries. Then you pick the livery that you want. For example, we'll pick this Phoenix Airbus 320 livery. Now that's going to get you probably most likely to flightsim.to, because that's where we host the official liveries. You click download now. And gotta wait a few seconds so that they can pay the bills. Start download. Okay, that's going to get you right there. Should be just a few seconds. It's downloading. Super slow connection this morning for some reason. Usually it's pretty instantaneous. Alright. So once you download it, it shows up in your let me delete these. It shows up, it shows up in your downloads, and depending on the format, it could be a zip, could be a RAR file. So this one is RAR. So for that, let's see, we use WinRAR. Okay. Extract archives, click on it, open. You choose destination folder. I'll just put it on the desktop. Select, start. Alright, it's done. We can close that. Go to our desktop. Here's the folder. Okay, you can see that, right? So then you take this folder, Phoenix Livery 320, and you place it into your community folder. Now, I have a shortcut here on desktop for my community folder. It's already in there, so I'm not going to do that. Let me delete that, but you just drag it in there. But let me show you where the community folder path is. If you can't find it, you go to resources, PC sim setup, and we have a section here on Flight Simulator 2020 community folder locations. If you have the Windows version, it would be this path. If you have the Steam, it would be this path. And that's how you install a TPC livery. Thanks for watching.